everyone, my name is Julia KDV. I'm from class 11 Business Level 1. The Gods with the Golden Eggs. Once upon a time, a man and his wife had the good fortune to have a goose which laid a golden egg every day. Lucky though they were, they soon began to think they were not getting rich fast enough. They imagined that if the bird must be able to lay golden eggs, its inside must be made of gold. And they thought that if they could get all the precious metal at once, they would get made rich very soon. So the man and his wife decided to kill the bird. However, upon cutting the ghost open, they were shocked to find that its innards were like that of any other ghost. Thank you.